So I'm getting ready to go in here, this Taco Bell, change out a condenser fan motor on a Hoshizaki ice machine. And look, I'm right here in this parking lot, and there was just an accident. This girl was in the drive-thru and getting ready to go up to the window and order, and then she just started backing up out of nowhere. I'm trying to be a little sly, but see, they're over there talking. But I don't want to be super rude. I'm just going to show you guys the process of changing out a condenser fan motor. It's super easy. The only thing that really sucks about it is it's about 100 degrees out here. Here we are walking in. Taco Bell. Tastes great, even late, apparently. So here's my roof ladder. I could move all of this stuff. What are these? The border sauce packets. Or I can just use this ladder, get up to this level, climb on up there. My condenser's right here. Figured I'd set up my umbrella to get myself out of the sun. It is actually 97 degrees. Oh, look at this. That's nice and dirty. I should probably let someone know that that needs to get cleaned. They're not gonna have AC as well as not having ice in their drive-thru anyways. So the ice machine downstairs is turned off. This is my disconnect for this. I will turn that off. Verify that there's no power. Oh, there goes my umbrella. Okay, so I wanted to get out of the sun, but this wind is giving me issues. Let me just go ahead and, oh look, where are you going? God almighty. All right, try that again. What is this? Picking up metal pieces off the roof. All right, all I want to do is be protected from the sun. Okay, let me open this up and start taking off. So last week's video, or one of my previous videos, this was my bad fan motor. I'm just going ahead and just open this up and start taking it apart. Just 4 screws, and this thing will come right out of place. For reference, this condenser is like an SRK 14 or something like that, and the ice machine downstairs is a KML-1402, like SRJ something or another. I'm gonna loosen up just this one nut right here, take off the fan blade so I have a little bit more room to work down inside of there. Fan blade has been removed. This is being held down in here by a zip tie. Just gonna loosen that up. Excuse me. Take this off. Take this off. And both fan motors plug into the same little plug right here. So we are not going to be messing with that. We're probably going to cut the wires somewhere right here and then just wire them into my new motor, which is right here. Unfortunately, the bolts for this are on the back side of this whole bracket, so I'm probably going to I don't know if I should take the top off and work from the top, or if I should take those little bolts out and pull this whole thing forward. I haven't decided. So I have decided that I'm going to be just reaching down in there, loosening up those bolts, those nuts on the back of that fan motor, and I'm going to pull it out that way and probably save me a little bit of time. All my nuts are taken out. I'm just going to pull that out. We can set that right down there on the ground as a precaution, even though I've double checked and triple checked that my power is all shut off. I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug that just to be safe. And I have to keep holding on to this dang umbrella because it's gonna fall over on me. Time to take out my new one and get ready to wire this thing into place. Let's see. Just like that. And we're just gonna match the wires I got my ground, my L1, and my neutral. So let me figure out how I'm gonna do this. Got my 3 wires all stripped. We are in the process of installing this condenser fan motor. These 3 wires have been stripped back a little bit more than the way they came. And we're just gonna match up white to white, black to black, and green to green. We're gonna throw some of these little wire nuts on there, and then we're gonna wrap it in some electrical tape just to be extra sure that it doesn't come loose. All taped up individually, colors match. We're gonna go ahead and plug this back in, start doing this process in reverse. I might go ahead and just tape these all together just as a precaution. I'm gonna throw some zip ties on this as well. But first step is going to be to get this back mounted in there. Fan motor's all secure. I ended up routing my wires down this side. I did wrap it in electrical tape because these things are all brittle and falling off. I just wanted to put some new zip ties, have it go down that way. I did tape up this bundle, and this clip is still good. This is all secure. It's not gonna end up getting hit by the fan blade. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the fan blade on exactly the way we took it off. Flat part is lined up, so the flat part of the shaft, that flat part, lines up with where the bolt is at. And then you wanna just put it where it was before, but if you can't remember, just match it. The middle of the fan blade should be kind of the halfway point if you're referencing the shroud. So it's kind of like right there is where you're gonna want it, and then just gonna tighten that up so that this doesn't come flying off. Fan blade's in place, spins freely, just like that one. Actually, this one spins a lot better. Look at that, that one stops. This one, brand new. That one's old. All right, so I'm gonna run downstairs, turn on my ice machine. I'm gonna turn on this disconnect, make sure that these both work, and then we're gonna put all our exterior panels on. And just like that, we got 2 fans running. Both of them blowing air the same direction, thank God. You ever put one of these in here and one was going this way and one was going that way? That sucks. All right, maybe we do a little brush on this condenser. I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing these panels back on. All our panels are put on. We gathered up all of our tools. This is all running really well. Actually, that just shut off, which it shouldn't have. Anyways, we're gonna figure that out. But what do we do with our used parts when we're all done? We're just gonna roll that over there. We're gonna throw that box over there. We're gonna leave it for somebody else to pick up because that's just the way we roll. Just joking. Make sure you take all your stuff downstairs, throw it in the trash. I go on roofs all the time. I see compressors, condensers, condenser fan motors, just random stuff laying around. Just takes 5 seconds, 5 minutes, but pick it up, throw it away. All done with that condenser fan motor swap out. The actual model number of the ice machine was a Hoshizaki KMS-1401 MLJ, and the condenser, the model serial number were worn off, but the matching condenser for that ice machine is usually SRK-14. So that's what I assume it is, and the fan motor is a match based off the parts breakdown. If I missed anything or I did anything that was stupid that you wouldn't have done, please let me know. Other than that, I appreciate y'all watching. Check out Ice Machine 411 for more ice machine service and repair videos. We'll see you next time.